Want to make sure your kids watch only age-appropriate shows on Netflix? You're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up parental controls on Netflix from your iPhone, so you can relax knowing their profile is safe. So let's go. First up, on your phone, open the Netflix app. Tap any profile. Tap the profile icon in the right side labeled My Netflix. Now, tap the three-line icon in the top right. Select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. Now, open the profile section. You will see Adjust Parental Control option. Tap on it. Now choose a verification method to verify it's you who's logging into parental controls. After that, you will see the profile maturity rating for Netflix. Pick the maturity rating level you feel is appropriate. Optionally, you can add specific titles you don't want your child to watch. Type in the title and block it. After all is done, tap Save. And that's it. You've now set up parental controls for Netflix on your iPhone. Your child has their own profile, the viewing limits are in place, and you locked the other profiles so they can't sneak in. If this video helps you out, then let me know in the comment section what show they're watching next, and I'll see you in the next video.